Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Periodic acid HIO4 cleaves vicinal diol, 1,2-diol, alpha-hydroxycarbonyl and alpha-decarbonyl systems. Each C to C bond between two adjacent carbons bearing O is equal to O or ChO is cleaved oxidatively, converting each carbon to its corresponding carbonyl fragment. A primary alcohol gives HCHO, a secondary alcohol gives RCHO or RCOR, an aldehyde carbon, ChO, gives HCO2H, formic acid, and a ketone carbon, C is equal to O, gives CO2. Option D. Structure ChOCO-CH or CH2O. Carbon 1, ChO, aldehyde. Carbon 2, C is equal to O, ketone alpha-keto. Carbon 3, CHO, secondary alcohol. Carbon 4, CH2O, primary alcohol. Periodic acid cleaves between each pair of adjacent oxidized carbons. Cleavage between C1, ChO, and C2, C is equal to OC1 aldehyde gives HCO2H, formic acid, C2 keto gives CO2. Cleavage between C2, C is equal to O, and C3, ChO already cleaved above. Cleavage between C3, ChO, and C4, CH2O C3 secondary alcohol gives HCHO, C4 primary alcohol gives HCHO. So products, HCO2H plus CO2 plus HCHO is equal to HCHO plus CO2 plus HCO2H. This matches exactly. Why other options fail? A. Glycerol, HOT2CH, or CH2O gives HCHO plus HCHO is equal to HCHO plus HCHO, 3HCHO, not matching. B. OHCCH, or CH, or CH2O, gives HCO2H plus HCHO plus HCHO is equal to HCO2H plus 3HCHO, not matching. C. CH2O, CO-CH, or CH, or CH2O, gives HCHO plus CO2 plus HCHO plus HCHO is equal to 4HCHO plus CO2, not matching. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.